Stop wasting your money on the wrong home security system. Seriously. Most so-called budget options in 2026 are just traps, designed to lock you into expensive monthly subscriptions that bleed you dry. But the game has changed. I've tested dozens of these systems, and today, I'm revealing the 5 that actually protect your home and your wallet. We're going to count them down from 5 to 1, but I'll tell you right now, my number 1 pick is probably not what you think. It's not the one with the fanciest 4K camera or the biggest marketing budget. It's the one that delivers a massive, comprehensive security blanket for your entire home for a price that is almost unbelievable. Stay tuned for that. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. Its best feature is its brain. The AI in this camera is brilliant at telling the difference between a person, a package, and a passing car, which means you get alerts that actually matter. It's built for anyone who lives and breathes in the Google ecosystem and wants a camera that works seamlessly with their Nest Hub and Google Assistant. But here is its one honest flaw, and it's a big one. Without a Nest-aware subscription, this expensive camera is basically just a live streaming device. All that intelligence is locked behind a monthly paywall, making it the least budget-friendly option here over time. But what if you want that premium video quality without being tied so tightly to Google, and you want a little more firepower? That brings us to number 4, the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. The best thing about the Arlo is its beautiful 2K HDR video. The picture is incredibly sharp, and its powerful built-in spotlight means you get full-color video even in the middle of the night. This camera is for the person who prioritizes video quality and placement flexibility above all else. It's wire-free, so you can mount it anywhere. The honest flaw? The battery. In any high-traffic area, you will be climbing a ladder to recharge this thing more often than you'd like. And just like Nest, to get the cloud storage and smart features you bought it for, the Arlo Secure subscription is pretty much mandatory. Okay, so premium cameras with subscriptions can get pricey. Let's pivot. What if your main priority isn't just a camera, but a true, whole home alarm system that's famously easy to set up? Coming in at number 3 is the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. Its best feature is simplicity itself. You can genuinely secure your entire home in under an hour with no tools. It's perfect. This is for the person who wants traditional, reliable security, door sensors, motion detectors, a blaring siren, and sees a camera as a secondary bonus. It's ideal for renters or first-time security system owners. The honest flaw? The cameras are not its strong suit. The video quality is perfectly fine, but it's not going to win any awards against Arlo or Nest. You buy SimpliSafe for the rock-solid alarm, not the cinematography. SimpliSafe is a fantastic option for affordable monitoring. But what if I told you that you could get 4K video, solar power, and potentially never pay a monthly fee again? This is our number 2 pick, the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. Its best feature is that it's the subscription killer. It comes with a central home base that stores all of your video recordings locally on an encrypted hard drive, meaning no mandatory cloud fees, ever. Throw in stunning 4K resolution and built-in solar panels that mean you almost never have to charge the cameras, and you have a powerhouse. This is for the person who wants to invest up front to save big in the long run. If you despise monthly fees and value privacy, this is your system. The honest flaw is that upfront investment. This kit costs more out of the box than any other on our list. It will pay for itself, but you have to be willing to make that initial spend. So, Eufy is the king of buy once, cry once. But what if you need to secure a larger home, you still want the option of professional monitoring, and you demand the absolute most bang for your buck on day one? That brings us to our number 1 best budget smart home security system for 2026. The Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. The value here is just staggering. Its best feature is the sheer amount of hardware you get for the price. This kit includes a base station, a keypad, 8 contact sensors for doors and windows, 2 motion detectors, and a range extender. That's enough to lock down a large house for the price of a single premium camera from a competitor. It's for almost everyone. It's for the family that needs to secure a ton of entry points on a tight budget. It's for the person who wants a system that just works with Alexa and can be expanded with a massive ecosystem of products. The one honest flaw? You are buying into the Amazon ecosystem. And while the alarm components are top-notch, the base-level Ring cameras that are often bundled in aren't going to have the best video quality on the market. You are buying this for the incredible scale of security you get for your money. So there you have it. From premium cameras to subscription-free powerhouses to the undisputed king of value. Prices on these systems change constantly, so to get the most up-to-date deals on all 5 of these, check the pinned comment and the description below for the best prices right now.